Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, that's different.
Yeah.
Is that a 6-inch or an 8?
6-inch.
Okay. Nice. The low port area and the long port helps dial that low frequency. So he's probably tuned to what, 26, 28 hertz range? 25, yeah. So being tuned that low, it's all about the tuning. And his port length, how far back does it go?
I stayed about right here, I want to say.
Yeah, so the port length and the small port area helped him get there. But he don't play above 45 probably. He's the lower frequencies.
There you go. I do ISPLS stuff on suicide, stuff like that.
That's for me, that's where it's at. Anybody can make it loud.
But it's hard to get a truck windy. It took me fucking forever to get this damn thing windy.
So what's up with these?
So this actually, what we did was we used 2-part adhesive foam, which is resin foam mix.
Yeah.
And we put these over and we just poured into the curb assist down here.
It helped hold this, so it can seal it.
Yeah.
Oh, got it. Yeah. And all of
that.
that space is sealed, so that pressure is contained.
Yeah, nowhere to go but forward.
Correct. Yep. I like it. Base Outlaws top 10. Nice. All right. Yeah, I'd love to check it out. Nice. Oh, you got 2 of them. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
2 calves, wired up 1 ohm each.
You cut into your trunk too.
Uh-huh.
Get as much space as possible.
I couldn't get the box in.
Oh.
Yeah.
It had to go in through the back. Okay.
And because the only way this car gets loud is subs up 4 back.
Oh, you couldn't do trunk
I
wall?
couldn't do trunk wall. I lose 3 decibels.
That's just the cabin of the vehicle, yep. Man. Have you ever, this sounds stupid, but have you ever considered cutting out the back part, top area?
I've thought about it.
Yeah.
I'm planning on walling it after this year.
Yeah.
I'm going to do 1 more season in trunk and then I'm going to go to wall.
Yes, sir. Okay. Nice. So you built the box, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
So do you know the specs, the tuning, and
Yeah.
peak frequency, cubics?
I peak at 30 and cubic foot wise about 4.5.
Okay.
6-inch airport, tuned at about 25.6.
25. All right. Nice. And your SPL score, burp, and then music?
Music, Subsonic Suicide, 2-minute long is a 147. Burp is a 48.5.
48. Nice. Hey, hold that dB. Nice job, man.
Gotta love my voltage.
Yeah. Yeah. And these amps, are they cab 45?
Yep, they're Cat 45s.
Are they 1 ohm each?
I clamped today 1,500 watts out of each one.
Okay. Oh, there's your lithium, right?
Yeah, headway, 96 amp hour headway.
Nice. Man, that's crazy. That little thing is 96 amp hours. Wow. And the alternator, I don't know.
Alternator, the Autotech 320.
320. Okay. I'd love to hear it, man. Looks really good.
That is my son.
So when you compete, do you put a window down? Or...
Actually, I have to open these 2 doors.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, the door open made it a little bit lower, windier.
It makes it so much
It does.
bigger. I can do full hair tricks.
That's
Right
pretty
there.
good, man.
Nice.
Wow. So when you compete, do you put a window down? Or...
Actually, I have to
Wow. All right, man. Nice to meet you. Appreciate the demo, man.